Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
Welcome back to part 3 of our Scandinavian adventure. Having conquered Preekstolen's Pulpit Rock, we make our way back down to the van to look for a suitable place to park up for the night.
604 metres high.
What, the rock or where we are now?
No, the rock.
Yeah. So we made it back down from Pulpit Rock. Just walking into the car park now. Experience out of 10, I'd give that real good 9 at the top. The walk back down, I'd give a 1. Someone's knees aren't working very well. And it's like anything, it's easy to climb up to something, and it's a lot harder coming back down. So 4.5 hours that's taken us, because we've had a half-hour break at the top. So exactly what they say. So yeah, well worth it if you're in this area.
Note, car park price.
Yes. So to use your feet, to use your own walking poles, to use your own heart, your own blood, and your own air you breathe in, £25 to park. So as you can see, we are there, and then we walk to where that man is there with the...
Just there.
Just there. Very good. Enjoyed that.
Yeah.
Now, let's go explore somewhere else around here to find a place to park. You alright? Tired? Why are you tired?
So I did lots of walking.
Lots of walking or lots of climbing?
Both.
Yeah. So we now find ourselves in another overnight location. And just here, we're on the quay. That ferry there we're going to catch tomorrow. It says here, welcome to wherever that is. Oh, can you see that? Hegeman Land. You'll find toilet and shower facilities close to the marina. Please park only on the marked parking areas and not in front of the quay. And then it says, if you're lucky and catch a fish, please dispose of the guts in the sea. Enjoy your stay here. I think I will. So it's been a busy day. Let's get some food on. Let's have a rest. And this is where we are. I'll show you on the map now. have found out today, because Norway is extremely expensive for niceties. So sweets, Coca-Cola, things like that are really expensive.
Really expensive.
It was £8 for a bottle of Coke and £2.90 for
A Snickers bar. £2.90 for one Snickers.
one Snickers.
Snickers.
She's been drinking. When we came over on the ferry from Denmark, there was a shop on there, a duty-free shop, and people were coming out with crates and crates of Coke and Fanta and things like that, and sweets and such alike. And now we know why. It is amazingly expensive. It's just over there, you can't see, but I'll show you it in the morning if I remember. There's a toilet, shower and washroom. Completely free. Or you have to pay for the hot water for the shower, don't you?
£1 in the machine, or 10 kroner.
So,
10 kroner in the machine, or £1 it equates to.
okay. And then, yeah, how good's that? It's a stone's throw away from here. About 20 metres just outside there. It's all looked after, really tidy. So good stuff.
Yeah.
There you go. Another find. So, good night.
Night!
And we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It's another beautiful sunny day in Norway. However, the temperature really dropped last night. So it was a very cold awakening. Claire's in the back, just sorting out some last minute things, like her hair.
Morning!
And then we'll be, when she's sorted, we'll be getting the ferry across to the other side to start a new day. So as you can see, the van's parked up behind us. There was no one here last night at all. And then just over behind that white van there, the small building over there, that's the toilets and a shower room you can use. So it's really busy in the ferry terminal this morning. There's the ferries over there. And we stayed just down there.
We're currently on the ferry.
Yeah, we've not bothered to get out. You can see a little bit of movement maybe out the side window there, can you? I think we'll try and find a campsite tonight, we'll see. And yeah, we'll see how we get on from there. So we are now at Sand on the west coast still, making our way steadily towards the waterfalls. We've just had a bite to eat and a cup of coffee in a little cafe here at Sand. So another thing to consider before you come to Norway, if you're going to come over in a camper van or anything like that, is to make sure you have a full service before you come. This is extremely hard on your brakes and on your engine, so you're going to spend a lot of time in the third gear, so make sure you've got nice fresh oil and your brakes are up to standard. You'll need them for going up and especially for coming back down. We'll just stop for a couple of minutes. There's an old cottage right up the top there, so we're just going to go for a quick walk up to the top, up this steep path and see what they're all about. The biggest problem we're having in Norway is getting from A to B without stopping. So we stopped again just round the corner from the cotter's cottage, and I'm sure you can hear in the background I hope you just enjoyed that bit of drone footage. It's really cold here, so I had trouble flying, to be fair, because the batteries are that cold. They need to be between 15 and 25 degrees to work properly. Mine was somewhere around the 4 mark, so I had to warm them up under my pits before I could fly. Claire's still down the bottom here doing some photography. Where was it? Huh? Where was it? Wow, Claire just saw an otter. Just tastes like water. Cold water. Yeah, amazing. That's probably where the otter just had a wee. Behind us.
Another van.
What type of van?
It's a Hugo type of van.
Oh, look at the Hugo type of van. So the weather's changed a little bit. It's still a bit overcast, nice skies though. And we're parked up for the night. Let's go and take a look. Just make sure that there's no overhanging boulders that can come down and squish us in the night, because this place is full of them. And we're on the road to Voss. And I'll show you that on the map now, whereabouts we've stopped. Again, the roads are gorgeous. They're not suited for a camper van, they're suited for a sports car, that's what they're suited for. Let me tell you that for nothing. We've done quite a bit of driving again, that's not to be underestimated in Norway. You don't get to anywhere fast. It takes quite a bit of time, doesn't it?
Yep.
So we're going to go to bed and we're going to get up early in the morning. So come along and we'll get the show on the road in the morning.